I knew I forgot something. I knew I forgot something. Holy. Not the poor YouTubes. It got forgotten. It got forgotten. We did some code and it's not on the YouTubes. Oh no. The poor YouTubes. Oh well. Oh well. Oh, 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 oh. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, nice. Okay, so what are we checking? We are checking let's go with the font sizes and stuff because I don't think I checked that. Let me go back to the main menu. Alright, there's no resume game anymore, that's fine. That's good. We did remove that. This is horrid. Let's go again. Reroll. Slime. No, reroll. Oh my god, we're getting the worst one. The worst ones. Uh. Okay, so I think that we could do we can go. Ooh, actually I hit both of them with that one. Let's hit that one. There we go. Can I survive this? Oh, I can. Nice. Wait, it didn't work. Wait, the score didn't work. Oh shit. Wait, why didn't the score work? Oh. That doesn't make any sense though. No sense has been made. So we go here, we go debug. Game over event received. Then this is debug setting scores. Okay. Okay. Setting score text, sorry. Save map. We're doing game over, which is the not win version. Which no, we are doing the win version, which is this one. You win 80. This one, so debug You when text added. Save. Well, like, it shouldn't matter if we send this now because it's always a frame late. It's always a frame late. Hello, Myriad. Hi. Okay, let's try again. So, you know what? That character sucks ass. Let's try again. This one will do. This one will do. How is the game gaming? The game is whatever. I'm alright. Asterton is going to EU today. They're going there right now, right this second. Quite literally. I think we go here. Yeah. I think I stand here actually. Fransteton? Yeah. It is Fransteton. You should have asked. What, like I would have if I could. It didn't. Did any of it have it? UN text at a game over event received. Wait, it worked. What? Game over event received, but then the score didn't actually update. Oh no, because this should have been here with score text. How does it not have score text? Also, hello Bix. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I think I sided myself out. It's kind of a rip. Kind of a rip. Game over. Good meowing. Map. Okay, so what if we just change this to like after, like here, or just like the end? I don't think it matters, but maybe it does. Maybe it does matter. Maybe it does matter. But I am 1 week done work, so I guess that's one less week of work I have to do. I guess that's a good thing. I have no clue. Well, I have some clue on what kind of income that was, but I actually don't know for sure, so I'm kind of nervous. Kind of nervous about that too. I really should ask them when I get paid. It's so dumb, I haven't done it yet. Congrats for minus 1 week, TY. How is it to be back in the workforce? I mean, I mean, I don't know. It's definitely not. Is it not my cup of tea? I don't know. It's whatever. Like doing Go is cool and all, but you know, they want me to do things. Score 9! What? It worked this time. Why? Why did it work that time? Yeah. Main Bevy? Of course. Of course it's Main Bevy. So welcome back. Solana. Blockchain. Holy. Oh, you already asked if it was Bevy. How's learning Bevy going for you, by the way? By the way. Rust is sometimes a pain. Very rarely, I think. It depends on what you're doing, I guess. Sometimes it has little, I call them little shenanigans. Sometimes it has you do little shenanigans, but in the end, it's for the better. Who decided to roll into town? Hi all. Oh, it's Fizz. Hello, Fizz. You don't think anyone considers working to be their cup of tea? Well, if you're like, if I was working for, oh shit, I failed that walk. I don't know. Like, I think, yeah, I think if you're like on your own project, it might be your cup of tea. What was that? Oh man, I need to fix this camera. When you have your character highlighted, the camera really shouldn't move unless you've been hovering that tile for a while. Maybe, because I keep misclicking and that's not good. Hello, Maple. Hi. You'd be surprised about people who actually love their job. Yeah. This looks cool, AF. Nice, thank you. Yeah, we're trying to get it to a demo version because in a few days, like on Sunday or something, I need to submit it to the game jam of because I'm participating in NovaLiminal's game jam, and oh, I did spell their username right. Nice, and you should go follow them. Because they'll be playing all the game jam submissions on their stream at some point, and that should include mine. And I will be releasing some sort of demo at that time as well. It's gonna be pretty pog. Pretty pog. Yeah, go follow NovaLiminal. NovaLiminal. I typed in the wrong one. Should be this one. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's the right one. That's fine. This is a tank character. I can afford to get hit. Oh, I killed both of them. Nice. You win 8. Okay, it worked again. Wait. Is it just between compiles that it either does or does not work? That would be bad. That would be bad. I'll take one hit in order to, like, do that. Although, I think I did this last time and I got stuck. Well, I think the strat is to hit this unit here at this point, yeah. Nice. We get another skull. Okay, nice. You win score 9. Okay. Let's try again. Let's try again. Oh shit, my sensitivity yeeted. I hate it when you accidentally touch your sensitivity button and then it goes to like, I don't know, even like 1,000 DPI or more, and you're just like, how do I click on anything because your mouse sensitivity is being too high? Yeah. Yeah, it's those extreme kilometers per hour mouse movements. Yeah. Let's go. I think I need to move to this middle one because otherwise we just keep going backwards and forwards. And in chess, you would die if that was the case. Wait, is this not what we're supposed to do? How do I solve this? Oh, we stand here because then it has to move in the middle. Yeah. Yeah. So we go in the middle here, and then it moves there, and then we move here, and then it moves back to the middle, and then we go boom. Nice. It didn't work. Look at that. It did not work. Ah, shit. I don't know why though. Also, why is the you win text so small? Like, is it not the same size as the you lose? You win, font size 80, okay. Where's the you lose one? I guess default fonts, that's fine. Where's the you lose? Uh, Here, game over, font size 80. Yeah, what? How? Oh man, why does this become 80 become a good size, but then the lose one, uh, the win one, sorry, is like not big. It's not big. That doesn't make sense. They're the same code. Oh no. Mm. Uh, Okay, sorry. Okay. How do we fix this? How do we fix this? So, why? How is it even happening out of order? That doesn't make sense. Because one is a trigger. Well, even if it isn't a trigger, like, yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Well, like, okay, so. How do they even? I don't understand how they end up at different sizes. Like they're the same. This I copy pasted the code up here because like, hang on, let's get a game over because that's easy. Let's get an easy little game over.
Happy Nora's subscribed for a total of 6 months.
Nora.
Thanks to Lane VT for my sub gift. Dumb
Huggies.
fox wiggle, dumb fox wiggle, dumb fox wiggle.
Hello. Thank you, Lane. Very generous. Holy. Welcome in, Nora. Yo, are you still in the uke? Are you still in the uke? Did you have fun there? Like more fun? Slash whatever you're up to after that? The UK, yeah. The UK. Yeah, okay, game over slice is big and the score is small. That is what we want. But like the score being wrong, we know that's fine. But look, game over small. Oh, it's because we resize all of the text. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. The text resizing. Oh no. Do we do that in camera? You did have a lot of fun. You return on Monday, I see. Everyone's going to the EU today or soon. This week? Next week? These weeks? Oh. Hmm. So, okay. So the text size thing is, I guess, is funny. We should stop it from scaling, I think, though. How do I do that though? Like, where do I do that? I don't remember. Oh, here. Here is where I do it. Yeah, so if I just do this. So this is, doesn't account for the size it was originally saved. Cargo run. Oh, you returned on Monday. Ah, that is this week. Did you miss the bread while you're gone? The German bread? Or were you not away long enough to miss it? Buttons. I should have moved to this tile and then I would have gotten hit. How do I get hit by both of these? I don't think I do. Guess I just go here and get hit. Wait, you shouldn't have done that. Wait, what kind of logic was that? Oh. Okay, game over is big, that's nice. And resizing it. Yeah, nice. Oh wait, I need to win this, not lose. Oh no. What's it gonna do? I guess we just go here and then they can't hit me. This one goes... Oh, it goes there. That one goes up one. Yeah, nice. I can finish that one off, but we end up dying, so we don't do that. We do not do that. Let's go here. I think we're at a stalemate. Cause like I don't think I ever am able to hit this character without losing a health myself. Cause all of these is losing health, which is death. You didn't miss German bed. That is fair. Let's lose again. Oh. Wait, we won! We won. Right. So the font size stuff is fixed. This is to do save score. Oh yeah, why does this score thing not work? I don't understand. Oh yeah, what if we remove it from, oh my god, what is going on? We make it, instead of an event, we just go fuck you event, add observer, and then we go game over, and then we just change this to a underscore trigger, and then this is just a trigger of game over, and we just get rid of that and get rid of this. We save it, we head into stages where we call the game over. Right? No, it's under map. Let's play under map. Yeah, like that. And then this becomes commands dot trigger Game over? What's wrong with this? Create when UI. Commands dot trigger game over. Yes, okay, let's try again. You bought and ate a bunch of Cadbury chocolate. You always tried Wotsits. Yeah. Apparently, Cadbury chocolate from the UK is different to Cadbury chocolate from the AU. So I'll have to do that at some point too. I imagine it was better than the stuff we have here because they make it different to prevent it from melting. Did you enjoy some of them? I don't know what sits are. I haven't heard of that before. Wait, what? I thought we got rid of this. Oh no, not took turn, just add observer. We need a semicolon. Wait, maybe I have had a what sits. I have not. What is a what sit? Yo, this looks like well, this one looks like a twisty. But these ones they look like the American one. Whoa. Mega share bag. Yo, well, what's it's good? Oh, there's lots of flavors. They look like they could be decent. Sweet and spicy. Prawn cocktail. What the? 6. Flaming hot flavored corn puffs. What does the 6 mean? Is there only 6 chips in there? 6 sizzling steak. This is also 6. Is there only 6 of them in a bag? I am confused. 6. See, this one's not 6. Is it 1? Oh, this one's 22. It has to be the amount that's in the bag. Well, like, what else would it mean? Why is there only 6? How big are they? Sheesh. Oh, this is a 5-pack. Oh, does it contain packs inside of it? Yeah, 12. Oh, it's 12 packs inside a bigger pack. Okay, don't worry. I worked it out. Less plastic wrap. If it has 6 on the inside, there are these, no? How is that less plastic wrap? That doesn't make sense. What the? They're going on about baked. Is this like the kinda British version of shapes? Well, it can't be because it's not the same. It's not even similar. Yeah, that's a small one. That's a big one. Holy. They're comparing tips. Right. What are we testing? Score, if the score is correct. Or if it shows up at all. Oh, yeah, I'll -1 health to hit both of them. Lego Tux? Yo. Yo, is that a reference to Linux? Or is it just a reference to Tuxes? But hello, welcome. Oh, I can hit both of them here. Okay, that's good. Okay, we win. Okay, it worked this time. Okay, okay. What about if I run it again? You think it's gonna work again? This is the worst character ever. You go again. No slime, go again. No slime. Go again. No skull, go again. Okay, this will do. Well, slap that in there. At least if I go here, I might be able to hit both of them. Oh no, I'm only gonna hit one of them. Oh no. Oh, I can hit both of them. Yes, that's good. And again. Oof. What a strong strat. I won't be able to hear. But that's okay, after this we don't win. We don't win. But if we move here, then we do win, right? No, we did not. Oh, we're losing. Actually, no, here we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. 6. Okay, I think it's fixed now, which is good. But also kind of annoying, but good. Oh, I guess we should put the level cap back, so we go back to map. Where is the level cap? Because we changed it to 1 briefly. Inventory. Game over event. In Germany, neither are sold in regular stores. You have to find a store that sells imported stuff from UK or order them online. Yeah, that would be same here, I presume. Although, even those stores, I haven't seen them in there before. It's definitely a UK only kind of thing. Level cap. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Nice. All right. Get status. Add source, I guess. Now if we get diff cargo tumble, what did we do to cargo tumble? Ah, the Bevy version. Wait, what? This line is replaced with this line, but they're the same, no? Wait, why are they indented weirdly after features? Oh, there's one space before the comma. I see. And inspect EQE, okay. Okay, yeah, get correct added scores to the game. Got XY. Yep, push. Yeah, I'm a BRB and go to the toilet. Enjoy fimsh feeding time while I'm gone. BRB.
Wow. Wow.
Yo, tea takes forever to fucking make. And I forgot to mute myself. Oh no. Wait, did I leak anything? What the? What the? I hope I didn't leak anything. Okay, so what else do we need to do? The settings menu? I guess that's the main thing. And then like the rest is like there's a lot we can do to fix and add and whatnot, but otherwise, yeah. Not the leak. I'll have you know, leaks are the best. You know, I fucking found the girthiest leak in history at the shops the other day. And I fucking bought that shit. Holy, they sell it per leak. And so this girthy ass leak was the same price as the skinny ass leaks. And so I got more bang for my buck. Or, you know, in this case, more leak for my buck. I leaked some coughing. Oh no. Not the coughing. Also, what kind of I thought cunts was like completely off limits in the uke. That sign clearly says cunts. So that's pretty wild. They must be hecka serious. Holy. I wonder what other uke livers think about that. My god. Holy. The DMs were linked. Also cats! Oh man, I would like a cat. But I have to go to the EU first before I even consider a kitty, because there's no way I am putting through any animal through the trip between here and Europe. That would be animal cruelty. Not quite, but it comes pretty fucking close. Viewers cannot see what I'm seeing. I am playing the game at the moment. So I think they can see what I'm seeing, no? You been lurking? Time for a trip? All good. Have a good one, Sleepy. Have a good trip. And don't fall over. If you trip, just don't fall over. Simple. Simple. You're referring to the cats and the cunts. Yeah, they can imagine what they want about the cats and the cunts. It's good thing my YouTube videos aren't monetized. Well, they can't be yet, because otherwise they would be demonetized. Oh. Little Witch Oz! Hello, hi. How is the Ozport going? Oh, I hit both of them. Damn. Oh, and I can kill that one, Pog. Yo, Oz, you should, Yo, Oz, if I make an actual ridiculous amount of money, which will probably have to be after I personally get to the EU, because then that's when I get spare EU money. You should get somewhere nicer. I'll help. Nice, we won. What are we doing here? Oh! What, they all have the gigantified girth. Nice. That's what I like. Oh, 10 out of 10. Oh, I got the perfect amount of gigantified girth. Yeah, look at all these health points. Holy. Move all the cuties to EU. Not all of them want to go there. Like, Dooku doesn't want to go there, which I presume that also means Yugen doesn't want to go there, and so it is a impossibility. You're doing okay? You're actually looking into finding jobs in the UK? What? You actually get what? Nani? Yeah, that's pretty pog. I hope it goes well. Yeah, I should continue looking for jobs in the UK, get them to move me there, and give me the dollars. Oh, wait, that's genius. Oh, I'll have to do that before bed tonight. Holy. Wait, what kind of, if you don't mind sharing, you don't have to say, what kind of jobs you are applying for? Well, I hope that goes well. That'll be pretty pog. You applied for quality. Oh, yo, my housemate did that for a while. For some companies, and it sounds pretty chill. If you can like, find the bugs in the applications, then it sounds pretty pog. Nice. Well, I wish you all of the luck for that. Yeah, that's exciting. Yeah, we should all get jobs. Unless we pop off on Twitch, then that becomes a proper job. And then that would be even pogger. Even pogger. Ah, shit. Oh! Oh! Look at that! I got 2 gacha packs! Oh my god. Wait, how does that happen? It shouldn't have done that. I got 2 gacha packs. Oh my god. Wait. Can I do that for every character? If I kill them like more than once, do I get new gacha pack each time? Then you hear from the QA team on project is endless paperwork, and you feel like that would kill you. Well, would it kill? Well, like, it seems like better than the situation Oz is in currently. The witch known to crash Notepad, all the poggies. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All of the poggies. Okay, so we do this, and then we do this, and that gives us a pack, and if I do that, oh, look at that! We have 2 packs! Oh my god, this is a game-breaking bug. Sheesh! Fair? Fair. Fair indeed. Yo, I'm feeling... Yo. I think my mood's done a 180. Maybe the tism black and whiteness has gone away. I don't know. I am feeling... What am I feeling? Do you know what I'm feeling, chat? I don't know the words for it at the moment. I'm feeling... It's like a little bit loopy, but you're like on the positive side of loopy. You need to find more studios to apply to. Yeah, like, yeah, I know a lot of enterprise and like companies that do websites. They need a lot of quality assurance because, you know, they use JavaScript. But the best thing about being QA for that is you just go, yo, your thing's broken, and then you tell them how you broke it. And then you just forget about it. Go on to the next one. It's not your problem anymore. And then next time they do a release, you just check it again and you go like, yo, you didn't fix it. And you just go, dev team, you fucked up. you still didn't fix this old buggy bug. You're feeling better than you did yesterday? That's good to hear. Did you get the SADs when you returned home? Do a lot of companies need proper QA? Yes. Are they willing to pay for it? Well, they have to, right? Like, they have to. Like, yeah. Yeah, I should definitely be looking for jobs, though. Whoa, scissors noises. Whoa. Recently the trend is that user is the tester. That's not a trend. That is just probably startups. Startups don't need to have well, like, startups are just like, oh, oopsie, we're just a startup, just excuse our little thingies, our little problems. But like the bigger companies, yeah, well, I guess they have different problems because then you send like a request to the support team. The support team is like, oh, you just do it this other way and it kind of works. And then you have a workaround. And so the priority goes less. And then so they don't fix the bug, but it still exists. And why pay the QA when the user can pay us instead? How's the game going? It's good, but I found a bug that breaks the game. I found a bug that breaks the game. It's not good. I don't know how I did that, but yeah. You've seen it? You've seen the bug? Nice. You got the stats when you are travel commanding. Oh shit. Oh shit, Nora, that sucks. My god, you are so unlucky. You are like actually hella unlucky. Oh man. What the? Yeah, give pats to Nora. Look fun, you mean? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I'm hoping I can get it to a state where it's like kind of demo worthy, so that I need to submit it to the game jam because I don't know if I'm gonna have time for in the next 2 days. Because I think that's when it's due. Hang on, let me check. Let me checkers. Nova. Here we are. So wait, this is pixel art. It's not quite right. Does this have the? Oh yeah. So yeah, it says submission in 2 days. Yeah, 2 days and 19 hours is when I have to submit it. Well, before then, and so I'll also put a demo up on itch when I do that as well. Oh, that reminds me. Is there any Bevy version? I just have an inkling. I have an inkling. Oh, there's no new Bevy version. Okay, because like there's some browser stuff that's broken in this version, and I was hoping they would have released another version already. But I guess it's only like what, once every 3 months. Hang on. So 2 days ago. Oh, they're. Oh yeah, they are close to an update. Holy. It's for a gem, yeah. It's for Nova's yeah. This one. NovaLiminal's Chill Vibes Game Jam. You should go follow them because like in a few days, they will be reviewing like all of the submissions. Yeah, there we go. What? Okay, I just have to. Apparently, whenever I did the shout out last time, I still have to wait like, what is it? 12 minutes? What the? Yeah. There you go. So it has a release every 3 months. Well, like this one's looking like 1 month. No, because like 15.3 was last month, and they already up to RC2 of 16. And I think RC3 is as far as they get, right? Yeah, RC3. So what was it? So, wait, where's the date? I saw the date and then I forgot. Wait, where's the date? Oh, the code has last month. The assets, February 7th. Wait. RC3, November 6th. Oh, yes, what they say RC for a week. October 23, 28, November 6, and then release a week after that. You wouldn't necessarily count on being 3. Hasn't it been 3? Like, oh no, this one was RC 1, 2, 3. Okay, where the one before it though? RC 4. Okay, that one went to 4. These ones didn't have RCs. No RCs. Okay, RC's kind of new. You know what RC stands for? Real cunts. Sorry, I have cunt on the brain. On the left, where maintainer info is listed. What, here? It doesn't have the date though. Oh, it does. It says it. Oh my god, I'm so fucking blind. I was like, oh yeah, the only place we see it is here. Oh my god, you're right. I am blind. Oh look, this person's in France. Yeah, that's where Asterton's going right now. What is the RC thing? Release candidate. Yeah, I didn't know it was release candidate. I knew it was like a soon to be released kind of like beta alpha thing. Yeah. Yeah, it's because the release was getting real. Yeah, it was pretty pog. Did they fix things though? I don't know if they fix things. What is this? Why are you jumping down there when I right click? Why does it do that? Wait, if I'm down here and I go, oh, what the? Can we? Wait, if I click on this, so it goes away, and we go back, and we scroll up, and now I right click. Yeah, it doesn't do the weird thing. Files changed. Shit, that's a lot of files changed. Holding. Look at it go. Oh man, I don't have a scroll bar. Oh, here we are. My web page was slightly off. 1,000 commits. Sheesh. They've been busy. And what this is the new commits 200. Oh. You said you have what on the brain? You just pick the wrong time to join the stream? I don't know about the wrong time. It sounds like you are joined at the correct time. It sounds like, yeah, you know what's going to be new. Well, that's what we're looking at. Although, yeah, we don't have the very helpful, like, this is what's new in 16 little article yet, because it's not released. So I'm just having a look through this because, like, yeah, I don't know. I hope they fix a lot of the what's it called, the browser stuff, because, like, if we have a look in here into the issues, maybe they're still open and maybe that will show off that they're not fixed. And you go WASM. I think you just do WASM. Let's go audio. WASM audio. Audio much play calls for audio context. Is this the one? No. This is not the one. Oh wait, is it? Because, like, at the moment we don't have audio on the WASM one because there's a bug in 15.3, but this is different. This is different. Oh, audio context patch. Oh, wait, they have a patch? Yo, where's this patch? Is this what this is? Oh, yo, I need this. This fixes our WASM issue. Oh, Poggies. Hang on. Let me fix this up. You hope they continue working on UI. It's still right pain. I don't think it's gonna change that much because it's like, it works and it works kind of well. Like, other than the text scaling, okay? The text scaling kind of sucks ass. Like, they need to change the, like, signed distance fields, fonts, and, like, have it be, like, easily scalable and, like, smoothly scalable. And after that, like, well, like, they have to work on the UI because they're making a fucking editor, and so they're faced to eat their own shit. And when they're gonna eat their own shit, they're gonna make decisions about it because they're like, damn, this shit tastes like ass. I don't want it to taste like ass. They want it to taste like strawberries, and so they'll make it taste like strawberries, and that way you can stop eating ass when it comes to working with UI. Not to mention, when the editor comes out, making UIs is probably going to be easy. You just fucking slap it in the editor and you're like, bam, bam, bam. Pewee patch, Bevy patch. Oh, that's so true. What if they're allergic to strawberries? Well, then they wouldn't use Bevy. It's that easy. It's that easy. They probably don't use Rust either. If they're allergic to strawberries, they probably don't eat Rust. They don't gobble it up. They're gonna need proper scene support before they tackle an editor. What do you mean? We already have proper scene support. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean proper scene support? Like, we already have scoped entities, and that's all you need for proper scene support. And we have the DLTF scenes, which They work. They work. They function. They're not nice to use. I'll give you that. They're not nice to use, but they're workable. But I think GLTF scenes are different to what you're talking about. You finally got around to changing your wallpaper? Oh! Wait, so you don't have much 7 drinking tea? Oh no! What did you change it to? Did you change it to like, what's the lane game? Owlkaline? Neo Evangelion lane? Or what's the gacha game with the Azure lane? Did you get an Azure lane wallpaper with like all of the characters? What did you change it to? Yeah, I haven't changed my background in a long time. Look at this. Look at that. Cute. Heckin' cute. Megamine casting explosion. Let's go. Yeah, I need to redeem like yours, Oz. Explosion. Wait, we're doing WASM. Hang on, I got distracted. WASM, audio fix. Holy Trinity. Okay, we go new file. Audio fix.j audio patch.js. Then we go paste, save, and we go to index here, and then how did they fix it? How did they fix it? This one. So they call a script before the core is loaded, and then we go paste, save, nice. Now, if I go cd project red your http, there we go, then we click this. Do you have audio? Audio context was prevented from starting automatically. It must be created or resumed. Shit! That's not good. No, it's not working. Okay. Let's read the rest of their example. Example, we compile to WASM audio bundle, simplest audio example. Okay. Compile the game when you try to KO readiness, intermittent sound broken. Bevy version 11. Oh, this is an old Bevy version. Okay. I got overhyped. Shit. Okay. Okay. What was I saying? Yeah, we're ordering by US. That's correct. What was the issue? It's like context. Oh, an example. Demonstrating how to load assets sequentially. Rank up. Wait, did that work? 4 minutes ago. Oh, it did! Well done. Yo, Oz got a rank up. Pog. And you awarded me. Oh my god, I'm so blind. Being bloated awarded. Yeah, what the? There's a lot of text. I don't want to read it through. Holy. Holy. Close. Yeah, where does audio option? Oh, here we are. No, that's the old one we were just looking at. Maybe the one I'm looking for is finished. Finish. Oh, there's page 2. Look at that. Page 2. Yeah, and the fact that I can't find this issue is probably good. Because it probably means they fixed it? Question mark? Question mark? Okay, what's the exact error? Because if I just look that up, it should actually just tell me. Because yeah, if we go F12 here, oh, wait, we have sound. Oh, yo, sound's working. The patch, it helped. Yo, let's go. Wait, if I refresh it, does the sound work? Failed for loading strip. Oh, audio context. Oh, the patch didn't even apply. Oh my god. Yeah, I think it's just like audio patch, yeah. So it works without it sometimes. Because yeah, at the moment, that refresh, it didn't work. Yeah, so... Oh, it worked that time though. Oh, it's working now. You know, what if I just refresh it? Oh, it does work. Pog. Although, why is the gacha pack like? Well, that time it loaded the model correctly. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay. I wonder if we should keep our things alive. Questions. And no answers. Okay, so... Hmm. Alright, that was an adventure. Okay. Let's get back on track. Cargo, run, release, I guess. No, no release. No release. Oh, we need to fix the bug. The bug! Okay, so when we attack a tile, sauce. Give me the sauce. The sauce. Character. No. Tile? Question mark? Cell attacked here. Entity cell with tile. Okay. Alright. Cell new animation, that's fine. Okay, it has nothing to do with here. Okay. So I think it is part of character. The good old little character. And we go for, what do we go for? Character attacked. Cell attacked, here we are. Team. Characters at cell. Oh. Okay. This, all we do here is we put that in brackets and we go, without inactive. Bam, solved. Completed. Cargo run. Pog. Salad! What are you doing here? Mate. Thank you for watering me. I don't have water with me though. You think I'm gonna scare you out of your little water points if I don't go get my water? You can't hydrate me now if I don't have any water. No water, no hydration. How will Hydro Salad ever live? How will you ever live? Waterless, saladless, dressingless. You know what goes good with a salad? A dress. Like I said, if you have a transition, like you're in the perfect place to play up like all of the things. Or become a femboy. Either or works excellently. I think that'd be amazing. You will fly over there and hydrate you myself. Oh, yo, salad. We could fly back after you hydrate me. Yo, deal? Come hydrate me, salad. I got estrogen too if you want to try that. We in trade Z. I'm gonna go get my water. Oh my. You're too old to pull off being a fanboy. Your twink death is imminent. I don't know about that, because I don't know if you know anything about transition, but usually it's like minus 20 years in age if you're like above 30, like easy. Like, yeah. So I don't think you're too old. Maybe you're at the perfect age and you just don't realize it yet. Thoughts? But you know, maybe Hydro Salad is just not to be. Not to be. No Hydro Salad. What kind of world would that be? A world without Hydro Salad? I guess we'll find out because we're living it. You don't want to be a teenager again? Well, you won't be. Because if you're not over 30, then there's no way you're too old to pull it off. And if you are over 30, you're gonna be at least 20 minimum. And that's not a teenager anymore. I think you're fine. I think you're fine. What am I doing? I'm clicking the button. 30 minus 20. Yo! Fucking holy. I think you're wrong. I think you're wrong. I'm pretty sure it is 20. I think it's 20 plus. Maybe it's like when you're 30, it's minus 10 years, and when it's 40, it's minus 20 years, and then, I don't know. Like, this is what happens when you get a job. You forget how math works. It just stops working. It just stops working. There's nothing more to it. So, because subtraction and addition is so complex, it is. There's been so many mess ups and fuck ups when it comes to basic mathematicians. So trans people are 20 forever, basically. Like until you're like 50 or 60, like I don't know. We all like look in, most of us, like good 98% is probably looking at around the same age range. No, like I don't know, but yeah. I don't know what I'm meant to be working on in this game. I think it is this options menu, because it does nothing. I'm pretty sure it's this options menu, because we need to make like a sound slider to slide the sound up and down, just like that. Just like that. Ayo? What do you mean Ayo? I didn't even say anything! What the? Yo, Oz, when is Ozport coming to Australia so that I can get cheap flights out of here? Who needs options anyway? True. Find it very fair if a man wants to transform into a female, they will get all hormonal therapy they need, but if you want to get more manly through JF, they refuse to give you the therapy you need. Do they? Like, I've heard the opposite. I've heard it's been easier for a lot of trans masc people, but I am no expert in that category, in that direction, and so I only have very, very light knowledge. But I guess a lot of doctors would probably, well, yeah, like I presume a lot of the bad doctors are like, oh, but what if you want kids, or like something about like the uterus or some bullshit. Maybe don't know, but like well, I think like once you're taking HRT, testosterone does all the work for you, whereas estrogen, you still have to like work on your voice and get face surgery. Of course, when you're taking testosterone, you have to get chest surgery as well. I guess that's also common for trans femmes getting implants, which is the other way. But yeah, I don't know. It's a mess. It's a mess. I wish we could all just be born the correct one. Get the correct stuff from the beginning. That'd be nice. If you want to be 150 pure masc piece all year round, you can't get that. Can you not? I guess it must be dependent on where you live. You think they're saying MTF get hormones and FTM get hormones, but male to male gets no hormones? Well, yeah. You want IRL Fantasia from Final Fantasy XIV? Fantasia. Is it safe to look up? And Asia, FF14. Oops. This. That's what you mean? Oh, I see. I see. Well, like, yeah, I guess it's because people don't see being pure muscle as a necessity. Which I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, honestly. Like, I've never wanted muscle, so I don't understand the appeal. I also don't know the downsides, so it's like I cannot comment really. 150 kilograms of pure muscle though. That's ridiculous. That's a crazy amount of muscle. Like, isn't it? Okay, question. Isn't a lot of the people that are like hella muscly, they're actually not like strong, they're just muscly because they have muscles, but they're not training the muscles in like strength, they're like training the muscles in muscle. Hanging out muscles and not be strong. Well, like it's a thing, is it not? Can you have mega muscles without being strong? Let's have a look. The reason why muscle grows is because of tension. This is all the opposite. Get stronger without building muscle, get stronger but not bigger. Gain strength without size. No, we want the other way. How to build muscle without bulking. How to get stronger without what? We want the other way. Did I type it wrong? Okay. Can you? Okay, let's use that word. Can you bulk without strength? More weight equals bigger muscle. Well, like, these are all get stronger without the muscle or the bulk. I want the other way around. What if I put opposite here? Does it just kind of work? No, it's the same. Have muscles but be weak. Bulk is different. Isn't bulk the big muscles? Why am I so muscular but not that strong? After reading blah blah blah, you started training calisthenics last year, consistent for 3 months before you blah 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 blah. Okay. All of this doesn't make I don't know what calisthenics is. Strength equals neural adaptations crossed with muscle cross-sectional area, but your neural adaptations really that poor? Wait, did I miss the important part? Calisthenics and bulking might not mix the best for pure strength. See, like, at very least, these people are discussing, like, having some sort of muscle that's not about strength. You have mostly useless muscles. They are strong for very few movements and useless in general applications. Well, muscle generally equals stronger, but a lot of gym rats only exercise muscles that look good rather than being comprehensive, so they can't properly leverage strength and cause a lot of important muscle groups underdevelop. But to even get muscle to look good, you have to train it. Okay, but alone, make sure you. Yeah, okay. Strength is not carrying at the end of the Titanic. Oh, true strength is not crying at the end of Titanic. You know what? I haven't seen Titanic. Yeah, I don't know. This is not helpful. Larry Wheels. Oh yeah, what I do know is you don't have to have a lot of visible muscle to be strong. Thus making the opposite potentially true. It doesn't guarantee it's true, but potentially true. Oh, I need to disable the right click. Oh, we have to do camera stuff at some point. Fuck, I don't want to do camera stuff. Where's inputs? Because at the moment the right click actually just deletes the game, and it's too easy to right click by accident. Control input, valid directions. Program key. Wait, what? Where did we mouse input? Mouse input? Question mark? Find right. Wait, it's not in here? Did we put it inside camera itself? Oh yeah, here it is. Wait, what? Cargo run. Shit. I wonder when my housemate's home. We're gonna watch a movie. I have no idea what movie we're gonna watch. Yeah. You feel like you're not as manly as you want to be. You see yourself in a body that's 150 pure muscle. Why is that any different from women being born in the wrong body? Well, like I guess the main question results in why does more muscle / heavy muscles equal more manly to you? I guess that's one of the important questions. And then also yeah, like I guess that's where it starts, right? It's all about the meaning and the intention behind it and like the origins of it. So like, for example, if if there weren't people that were like already like giga bodybuilding with like giga muscles, would you still be inclined to think that excuse me, only inclined that that is what is manly? Like if the world was run by femboys, let's say, and femboy was like the top thing, would you still want the muscle thing? And like the answer can be yes. But yeah, you can become more muscly without medical intervention. You can't transition without medicine. Yo, that's also true. That's also true. Yep. That's a big one, actually. That's a good point, Muse. Well done. Well done. If hitting the gym were to give you bigger boobs, you'd start living there? Yo! True! True! Oh my god. Holy. We'd all be gym rats at that point. Well, like, well, that's probably because presumably that much muscle isn't natural in the first place, and so, like, your body is not designed to do that if it's not something you can naturally reach. Is it not? Well, like, yeah, like, cause like, isn't a lot of these medications for muscle stuff, like, they're not like just testosterone. They're usually like steroids and stuff, and they're like additives that aren't usually present in your bloodstream in normal development. Testosterone is a steroid? I'm pretty sure it's not, because you can't get resistant to it. Well, okay. I know it has some properties of being a steroid. Maybe it is. Is estrogen a steroid? Yeah, estrogen's also a steroid, I guess. Okay, what's the definition of steroid then? Hello, liquid cake. Hi. I mean, it's only 8:30 p.m. 2030. Yo, I didn't like. I know what testosterone does to the body. I'm not an expert in testosterone or chemistry or bodily functions. I just know a bunch. I am an owl. That is true. I am. Just tuned in again. Femboy and big boobs are the first thing you heard. You have bad timing. P.S. Estrogen is a hormone. It is a hormone, but like testosterone is also a hormone. But apparently testosterone is also a steroid. But hormones you can't get immune to. Sadly, well, you can, but you have to be immune to it at birth. You don't gain resistance to hormones, whereas you do get resistance to most medications. Steroids are things that promote growth. Yeah, so I think steroid is too general of a definition. Anyways. Did we fix? Oh yeah, we have to work out if we fix the thing with the double character packs. You think I go here? Well, I mean, I also don't think steroids. It's not steroid. I don't think testosterone is good for the body. Just BT dubs. My own opinion. I think it's actually pretty toxic. We got a fishy. We got a fishy. Alcohol is produced naturally, is it? You look more feminine as a male without being on estrogen. Well, like you physically can't because of the male indicators that are present in like your bone structure. So why would you need more estrogen? Well, yeah, because that's just wrong. Like, have you ever seen like a bald female versus a bald male? Like, you can see the head structure and face structure very clearly, and like females end up still look female even when they're bald because they don't have the male indicators of the bone structure that is the head and the face. And like even estrogen won't fix that, but that's a different issue entirely. It's the same as the male who wants to be bigger, stronger. If you feel like you're not living up to your potential self, they should get the same hormonal therapy as those who want transition from gender to gender. Is that true? Okay, let's think about this. So, well, like, okay. Is it though? Is it the same? So I'm just thinking. Unhealthy dose of steroids, yeah. Like, I know steroids have a fuck ton of, I didn't test the thing. Shit. We have to test it now, though. Oh no, that's too many. It seems like, yeah, possibly. Like, I guess if you're okay. I think the difference is here. What trans people want to achieve is the correct balance and normal levels of hormones in their body as a cis female or a cis male, whereas presumably you already have that, and if you don't have that and you have like less or too much, the doctors will prescribe more to bring you back to normal levels, and that's very common. That's a very common practice, and so what you're trying to compare is going from normal levels to extreme levels where it does have very like a lot of downsides without any perceived upsides other than you want it, I believe. And like, yeah, I think that's where it's different. That's why it's different. Hormone therapy and plastic surgery for bodybuilders is common, sure. They should be allowed. What's this, Nora? What is Nora? Good luck finding a doctor. You really want to continue in if you're you don't really want to continue in it if you're uncomfortable with it. conversation. Yeah, I'm trying to work out a lot of things right now. Like I think I've concluded what I was curious about working out, and so I don't know if we have anything more productive that can be said about the topic. Yo, that's a lot of enemies. Yeah. What is that? No! The camera moving fucked me over. Can all three of these hit that? I think so. You think I had JOB news recently? I do have a JOB now, that is correct. Yeah, I've completed 1 week. 1 whole week. Thank you. Yeah. I am a bit worried about the job's longevity, but I hope it's gonna be fine. Jobbed, yeah. Jobbed indeed. Oh god. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Can we test it out? Oh yes we can. Yeah, because we do this and then we move this here. Ah shit. I didn't test it out because I ran into the pack. Ah. Oh no. Yo, so many slimes. 1 slime, 2 slime, 3 slime, 4 slime. Wait, that's not a slime. We go. Then we go. Then we go. And we just eat them all up. And then we can't attack this unit. Oh no. There's no spaces to attack. I think skeletons end up being better for this level, and then we'll pop this one here. Can we fit this one on? We can. Wait, does this one also fit? It does not. Okay, nice. We hit it. And then we hit nothing with that skeleton. What about this skeleton? Oh, yes. And then yeah, this one, I'll just move here, I think. or wait. Can I? Oh, I can kill it. Yeah, there we go. We stopped the double pack opening thing. It was not your intention to make it uncomfortable. You were talking about hormones just when you entered chat. Is that a game I'm developing? Yeah, all good, all good. Yeah, like if I did not consent to the conversation, I would have not continued. But yeah, we are. That conversation has concluded. That is correct. Yeah, this is the game I'm making currently. What are we trying to do? Right, we tested the bug and it's fixed. That's good. I think we pop this dude here because we can hit both of those, and that's an easy win. And then these skellies, if they hit any of the back people at any point, that's also a win. I think this one may be able to hit that dude. It might be too far though. Yeah, look at that. Both of them at once. Nice. Yeah, I guess we just move the skelly there. The sorcerer cannot actually make it anyway. Oh, this thing always has no spots you can move to as well. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I really need to stop the camera moving so much when you're trying to move your characters. I think we need to make the camera slower when you have a character selected. Because too often I misclick because the camera's moving so much, and also this level 8, it sucks. Level 8 sucks. Anyway, options menu. Options menu. Mm. Um, thinking. Yeah, one sec. I'm gonna take a quick break. I need to work something out. One sec. It's also, yeah, I'm also gonna pop to the toilet. So you've been sitting down for like an hour or two, having a stretch, getting some water, drinking some water, making tea, making coffee, even. I don't know, all sorts of things. Ordering pizza. Who knows? Who knows? Now's a great time to do it. Bevy. Mm, mm, Why am I forgetting to mute today? Like, that's not the first time. I don't think it's even the second time that I've forgotten to mute. Oh, wing. Yo. Loa. 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 Are you scared the finches? Oh well. Yo, okay. I really want to do some upgrades to the overlay. Like, not only do I want to get rid of like feed the finches 1 times and 10 times, I want to feed the finches to be like a little event that happens, and also gigantified finches. I want it to like have a cool little animation to go with it, and like I don't know, there's a lot of improvements to be had. And like, yeah, I want to do all of that, but before that, I have to do, well, 1, we should finish this game, and then 2, I should get the Unity version of my library working, so that the Uke can have some event sub integration into Unity and be able to do some more cool complex interactions with their overlay, and that will be Pog AF, and I'm keen to see that. And then and only then maybe I can consider like redoing my overlay, but really I should probably be working on this game to get it into a release state. 3, I need some distance. Oh, that's true. That's true. Oh, and 4. Number 4, we have the Fimshathon, which I need to finish developing the little thingy that I have for it, that I was working on, but time has disappeared recently. But yeah. I'll have to like simplify it, because what I wanted to do for it, or make for it, is definitely gonna be too big of a project for the time that I have currently, and especially like well, I don't know, this weekend specifically. Why are you open? Well, this weekend specifically, I won't have any time to add stuff. 5, I should be doing Smarties rating stream, rate each other color. Oh, yo. Not only do I do a Smarties rating, but I get 1 of each like type of Smarties packaging, and we rate the packaging. Oh, yo, that's gonna be part of the Fimshathon. 100%. 100%. It's gonna happen. Yeah. I don't have 2 cameras. Well, I don't have a stable way to have the camera, so I don't think hand cam with Smarties would work. Plus, hand cam is it could be, it probably is one of the Fimshathon milestones. An owl hand cam, poggings. Yo, if we get that, that's gonna be pog, because I do have a project that would need hand cam to do on stream, and that I want to finish before I go to the EU. And at this rate, without doing it on stream, I'm not gonna get it done, and that will be a rip. That would be a rip. But yeah. Hoi! Hello, Tenosit. Hello. Warframe enjoyer, presumably. Hello, man. I remember the old days of Warframe. I had a lot of fun. I've tried it again a few times, but I just can't get into it like I used to. Right. Right. Camera translation. Yeah, what if we just slow down the camera entirely? So what if we make this like 0.5, just in general? We just slow the camera down, because like that might also help with like motion sickness things. Because I guess I haven't, other than myself, I haven't gotten anyone that gets motion sickness to do it. Or it might make it worse actually. Well, good thing I had the greater health thing, but I think this character can't finish level 1. Well, I have to move here. Oi. Oh, I can hit both of them and be safe. We're in the middle of a big presentation preparing to present a small thesis, so you want to pop in and look at what's happening while you have the chance. Fair! Yo, good luck with that. Yo, that sounds kind of exciting. That sounds kind of exciting. Good luck. Yo, what's your thesis on, if you don't mind sharing? Thesis, ma. Thesis, ma. Yeah, I'm definitely dead here. There's no way I win. Dead. Oh, my score was 9. Oh, I haven't looked at my score on the other runs. Oh no. I think I move here. Yeah, thank you for popping in. I appreciate it. Oh, losing 1 health to get 2 hits in. Worth every time. Oh wait, do I do it again? Wait, I can't. I cannot. You thought for the day you can only have the sis if you have the right number of siblings. What of the day? You can only have the sis if you have the right number of... My god. Not only the right number, but like the right pronoun sibling too. Good one, Liquid. It took me, well, as you saw, it took me far too long to catch on to what you're putting down. Holy. Click the buttons. Click the buttons. I don't think I hit anyone. I cannot. Sure. Nice. I'm not doing well. I just need to hit this thing once and then we're good. Oh yes, nice. Okay, I think the camera change is good. Like I haven't noticed it being slower. But it is, which means it should lead to less misclicks, although I don't think it will prevent it entirely. Thank you for watering me, Salad. I should add a button to reset the or like recenter the camera on whatever's important at the time. You just realized something, yeah? What did you realize? Oh shit. One of them had counter attack though, nice. Yo, I think we might be able to finish this run. We have the healthy people. Oh, and we can absorb someone. Actually, I think we keep the absorb. We keep the absorb for a different time. Your eternal points has an O2 icon. That's true. Yep. The hand for yourself. There is only one theme. The me and the one the me. Nice. You call it atoms instead of molecules. Molecules. That is true because it's made. O2 is made up of molecules. Maybe I don't have enough. Do they have like a word limit? A letter limit? What's it called? Yeah, limit. A letter limit? Is that right? Molecule. Molecules. Yeah, it does fit. Look, I did this art. Look, I did this art. This art was all me. It was all me. My art. Oops. It's my art. All me. All me. You don't know if it is? The art is cool, thank you. I did it a long time ago, holy. Oh, that dude needs to get away. Nice. Perfect. Let's go here. I can't hit both of them, but that's okay. You can do that. Nice. Bridgema? Yeah, Bridgema. I have no idea what kind of score this is gonna get. Like the way the scoring works is interesting. Okay, so I think what we do is we go back and to the left here because we should be able to hit it a few times. Okay, so we just move left here. That one can also hit it. So I think, well, we move 2 up. 2 up. Well, we really need to be in this space, but we can't get there like at any point in time. We can go over 2. So I guess we go here. And then we go boom. And we can go boom. Nice. Bog. Bog, bog, bog. We have a slime. Is a slime useful here? It is useful, but do we need it? Probably not. Yeah, let's move that there. And that one there. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10? Click. I don't know why that one stayed. That was a bit weird. Ooh, damn, that was a perfect setup. Yo, we beat up the tank. Yo, I think this level's pretty good, actually. What the? Yo, Paladin, so strong. The triple kill. Damn, I probably got a lot of points from that one. I actually don't know. Do we want an absorb? I don't think we want to absorb. I think we should keep the absorbs until a later level. We kind of want the weird moving ones for this level. Or the slow moving ones, the slow tanky ones. Yeah, let's put some skeletons in here. And then a tank. Yeah. Why does one get left over? Bugs. Bunny. Yeah, let's just move over there. Okay, I think one of these skeletons is dead from the green dude. Yeah. Bye-bye. Oh, we got another slime. Yo, that's Giga. That's Giga. This skeleton's dead for sure. Okay, I think we're good now. We just do that and that. Nice. We got our own fish thing. Level 7. Oh yeah. So if we get all our slimes out, all 3 of them. We probably need this one here, right? Because I don't know if, well, I don't even know if it can reach there, let alone that one row back. But these 2 can just absorb these 2. Nice. And then we still have a lot of points, so I guess we just put our own little fish person there. And then who has like big range? I guess we just put a tanky dude there, and that's 10 out of 10. Click the button, absorb. Yeah, this slime is not gonna make it. Yeah, then we kill both of them. Nice, easy level. Maybe I should put more of them there. Oh, we have 2 slimes. Oh, I missed that. So we go slime here, slime there. We take over those 2. And then I guess we just play the long game and just put like tank here, the paladin thing. Actually, the paladin thing's kind of bad here. Put 2 tanks there, and this thing. I think so. We press the button. You've not actually seen me play a full round yet. The gameplay is kind of like chess deck builder with health and pieces, do AoE pattern after moving rather than telefragging. Yes, I don't know what telefragging means, but that sounds correct. Oh, my housemate's from bookings. But yeah, like the way I describe it is like a Final Fantasy Tactics game mixed with some TFT elements, roguelike, but maybe deck builder is a better description because you are building a deck of characters basically. We definitely need to make these later levels harder because we kind of just like no-braining them, but at the same time, like, it's kind of fun to do that. Telefragging is the old. Oh, yo, we got 69. Our score is 69. What the? Nice. Oh, that's good. That is good. Oh my god. Yeah, I like my scoring system. Saying it's nice would be an understatement. Holy. Oh, okay, so telefragging is always a great concept where in multiplayers, if you went to a teleporter and arrived where someone else was, they exploded into giblets. They do AoE patterns after moving rather than telefragging. Yes, I guess so. I guess so, yeah. But yeah, you're right. You're right. Poggies. Yo, that was a lot of fun. That was a blast, honestly. Honestly, I had a blast. I think the game's in a pretty good state. Options menu though. 2 days and 19 hours, eh? Is that right? 2 days and 17 hours. So tomorrow is Saturday, and then Sunday, and then we got Monday would be the first 17 hours from now. Ooh. Ooh. Do we need a settings menu? Like, I'm pretty sure I'm done with my stream. Like, I think the game is in a decent place right now. Decent. I mean, the settings menu though. Yeah, I'm done with you. I'm disposing of all of you. No, I'd never do that. I couldn't do that to you. Any of you. You're all fucking amazing. Okay, so settings. So what would we need to do? We would need to either a slider or a plus minus. Oh yeah, let me. Yeah. Okay, how do we do the pause menu? Let's start with that. How do we do the pause menu? Here. Unpaused and paused. So I guess what we do is we go copy, paste. This is overlay windows. Pause windows? Well, like, we want the pause thing to exist when. Okay. Yeah, let's go overlay windows. And we have none. And we have settings, right? Is it a substage? It is not a substage. It is its own state. We'll just save that. And it goes on the outside of the game. So we'll go, this is the settings.rs. Settings menu, rename. Settings menu. And then we just paste it here. Use Bevy, prelude, star. Save. Super FN app. Not app, it's a plugin. And not app. app dot, yeah, so add systems, and then this will be like on enter of overlay Windows settings setup. Setup. Wait, so we want to yoink. We want to yoink the current pause menu. Pause. We have overlay. Shit. Oh, that's fine though. So this would be settings menu on, and we get E. This returns the implement of fn trigger E, and then we go resmut next state for the overlay. Not overlay. Is it overlay? Yeah, overlay windows. Yeah, overlay windows. And move trigger mut next state. Next state set overlay window to settings. Let's remove the S from that, so we go back to settings menu. That gets removed. We need to add this to the project, so mod settings menu. One second. Let me do that. Just need to get something up real quick. Alright. And I can bring it back. Oh, it makes the noises. I should mute it. On your settings. Wait, that's the wrong kind of settings. PAVU. It's been a while since I've used PAVU. What the? Nice. That one trending. Okay, save. Copy one. Yo, what the? Could not compile. It broke. No, I just didn't import this. Okay, that's good. We need to add that to the states. So, well, we also need to enable state scoped entities for the overlay window. Subset. Yeah, so insert states overlay window none. And Can you bring friendships back? Sure. How do I do that? What is friendships? Yo, what's that show called? That's like where they go undercover, but people say it's a Christmas story, and they keep on getting like into bad situations, but they're actually like hella good at like fighting and shooting and killing things and getting out of it. And yeah, people say it's a Christmas movie, but it's not. Um, mm, fuck, what is it called? Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, so, someone made a clone of it. Wait, what the? Um, Cleaner. It's just called Cleaner 2025. What the? Sorry, I got hella distracted from programming, eh? Tyler Perry's duplicity. What the? Uh, let's see if it's valid. Okay, so Fimshy, Game Boy Fimsh, Game Boy Fimsh Pokey. Uh, wait, so overlay is there. This needs to become overlay settings. This setup need commands, and then let me just save this, and then what? Uh, okay, nice. Mm. Okay, so characters, tiles. Wait, unless I just stop here. Mm, you know what? I might stop here. I might stop here. Um, okay. I am finished. Sorry to the one YouTuber that came on, YouTube viewer that came on just recently. I'm finishing up now. Oh no. Oh no. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. We had a pretty chill 4-ish hour stream. Oh, it is 4 hours. Nice. We made it. We heckin' made it. I think we're done. Yeah, I think I just end it here. We're just finishing. We're just completing completion. No worries. I might, if I end up working on the settings screen, I might have an oddly timed stream. Because it could be, if I wake up early tomorrow, I could have a stream in like, oh, that's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. I guess there's a possibility a short stream in like 8 or 10 hours, but it's unlikely. There could be a stream tomorrow, but it's unlikely, like normal time tomorrow. And there's, I think, almost certainly going to be a stream on Sunday, which is the one after tomorrow. And we'll finish the settings menu and I guess submit the game during that stream. So, poggies. Anyway, thank you all. And I'll see everyone next time, whenever that is. Soon, hopefully soon. It is weekend now for me because it is currently Friday night, and so don't know. I'll be chilling around. Okay. Bye bye.